In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to take to upload your very own brand logo directly into the header view of your Typeform. Adding your logo is a fantastic way to maintain professional branding and ensure your audience knows exactly who they are interacting with the moment they open your link. To get started, you first need to open your specific form within the Typeform editor. Once your workspace has loaded and you can see your questions, look toward the top menu of the screen and navigate over to the Design tab. This area is where all the visual magic happens. After you have entered the Design tab, your next move is to locate and click on the Customize button, which is sometimes labeled as Edit Theme, depending on your specific version. Clicking this will open up the styling sidebar on the right side of your screen. This sidebar contains all the various options for colors and fonts, but you specifically want to look for the section titled Logo. This section is usually located near the top of the sidebar for easy access. Once you find it, simply click on the Upload button. This action will open a file browser window on your computer where you can browse your folders and select the specific logo file you want to use. Make sure your image is high quality so it looks crisp for your users. After you select the file, Typeform will automatically process it and place it at the very top of your header. You can then see a live preview of how it looks alongside your questions. It is a very simple process that makes a massive impact on the overall look and feel of your surveys. Following these quick steps will help you create a truly branded experience in just a few clicks of your mouse. It really is that straightforward and easy to accomplish for any of your active project today.